Ay, dala mo, nakatasok.
Let's go na.
My love language is your time and attention.
Potato
Won't
cheese.
you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
Clear tayo kung mag-swim ka. Clear tayo kapag kita ako paubos.
Go tayo.
Ikaw swim. Awa. Blue gray.
Blue green?
Gray.
Blue green daw.
Tiles.
Sidang nakbi. Sa blue. Pag-blue na kay mama.
Blue gray. Ang tiles.
Go green tayo.
Bitaw. So,
Blue green?
Blue lagi, lagi.
Blue green lagi.
Won't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation.
Oh, sensation naman.
When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
ma, ako mag-breathe na hold for 35 seconds.
Don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay. Yeah, why don't you just talk to me? 'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my.
You know? Infinity Fall to guys. Infinity Fall.
Infinity pool. Pool.
Infinity Fall din. Infinity Fall. Hello kuya.
Hello, I'm gonna sa swim.
This is my junior. Where are you going? Whoop!
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me?